Today we will show you how fair and lovely cream is made from horse's fat.
Only the finest ingredients, processed with next-generation precision. Next Gen Process Pro.
We have the next 3 ready for ramp 2.
Copy that, send them up slowly, we have clearance. Keep moving, you're doing well. Steady, steady. Almost there. Easy now, keep her steady. Watch your footing on the metal, big fella. Easy, easy. Keep moving up the ramp. Next 3, you're clear.
Easy now, keep moving up the ramp.
Watch your step inside. Good. Settle down right there.
Easy now, keep moving up. All right, gentle now, sit down, easy boy.
Steady now, easy down the ramp. Watch your step. All right, let's keep moving towards the processing center.
Easy now, steady.
Oh, Roy, nice and slower.
Venganza, vamos. Siguiente grupo.
Keep the line steady, move out.
Walk on, keep the line moving smoothly.
Next group ready at gate 4. Move out.
Welcome to Next Gen Process Pro, where we redefine equine logistics. Our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands daily.
Levels look stable. Start the cranial scan sequence.
Initiating sequence 3T, Doctor.
The scan on the shoulder looks clear. Respiration is steady at 12. Heart rate is strong and steady.
Good. Let's check the digital readout on the hoof scan.
Vitals are clear. Prepare the next Frisian for examination.
Make sure the tail's completely dry before the next cycle.
Copy that. Moving to station 3.
That's it, easy now. Move over just a touch there, big fella. Good horse.
Easy now, steady. Keep moving along the carpet. That's it, girls. Straight ahead.
Easy now. Keep moving forward.
Good boys, this way, please.
All right, steady now. Follow me, good horse. We're almost there. Keep going. Good boys. Go inside and sit down. Easy now. Find your place. Well done. Settle down here. Come on, step and sit. Find a comfortable spot and sit. Good job. Settle down now.
Check the next batch, Irina.
This cut is perfect for the premium selection.
Ensure the pressure is consistent on this batch, Elena.
Yes, optimizing for the larger cuts now. The flow rate seems perfect.
Ensure the spray nozzles are clear on line 3.
Yes, the flow rate is optimal now.
These pieces are exceptionally clean.
The new nozzles are working perfectly, aren't they? Yes, the coverage is excellent now.
Ensure the flow rate is consistent on line 3.
Yes, the sensors show optimal pressure.
Ensure the flow rate is optimized for the larger cuts.
Yes, the side nozzles are adjusted perfectly now.
Ensure the moisture level is consistent across all pieces.
Yes, the rollers are set for optimal absorption now.
The warm airflow ensures the velvety texture develops evenly across the marbled surface.
And the moisture levels are optimal.
This one looks perfect.
Excellent marbling here.
Oh, quality is very good. This batch has beautiful marbling.
Feel how firm this is.
Perfect quality, ready for next step.
Perfect drop.
Next batch going in. This fat looks excellent.
Dropping the next lot. Beautiful quality fat. Going straight for melting.
Fat is melting perfectly. Beautifully cooked.
Fat is melting beautifully.
Perfect consistency for the cream.
This will make excellent premium cream.
Cream is flowing perfectly. Excellent quantity and consistency. This batch looks premium.
Chemicals are blending perfectly. The cream is becoming so smooth.
This mix looks absolutely premium.
Look at this beautiful flow. Extremely high quantity coming through. This cream is turning out perfect.
The chemicals are integrating beautifully. This cream is turning out so rich.
Perfect mixing for the final product.
Viscosity confirmed at ideal thickness.
Color analysis stable. Adjust illumination to 45 degrees.
Every step is carefully controlled to ensure quality and consistency.
This is how fair and lovely cream is made from horse's fat inside a modern factory.
She gently applies the cream, spreading it evenly for a smooth and radiant finish.